Hi, I wanted to welcome you to 945 Benewah Lake. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house in the Middleton Lakes subdivision. The kitchen's in the front of the house, it has full stone backsplash. Appliances come with the house. The pantry and laundry room double here. Storage up above. This goes out to the garage, and it is a 3-car garage. Eat-in kitchen and great room with vaulted ceilings. The carpet is new and the paint is freshly touched up. The master is on the one side of the bedroom of the house, and bathroom, master bath, and the closet is also inside the bathroom. On the other side of the house is the other 2 bedrooms, and I'll show you again here. A really good size, great room. A breakfast bar here. Lots of natural light in the house. And then 2 bedrooms on this side. And bath in the middle. Storage closet here. And then this bedroom's a little bit larger than the other one. And this is again 1,400 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 3-car garage in Middleton, Idaho. It has an RV gate on the one side of the yard, has 2 storage sheds and a fire pit. And this will be available at $257,500. If you have any questions, call Cindy at 208-608-2346. Thanks so much.